Hi, my name is Wen Hao. I'm a director here at Cum. I graduated in '07, and basically my first job and my only job until now, is running this agency. So it's been like 14 years, give or take, and it's been a while. We're a creative agency, very strong in motion graphics, CGI, photography. My experience as a student at Fusion was probably a very naive one. I was very young, I was having fun. I remember printing name cards and doing a lot of silly things just to, I don't know what it was back then, but I think it was exciting. It was a little bit like just a graduation thing that you go through. And because of national service also, I probably was just enjoying the fact that I was with all my friends and everything else. Fusion has always been the place that I would go to place every year to find new talent and to, I hate using the word, but hunt for people to join the team. And we're constantly growing, and it is one of the best tools for us in terms of meeting new talent and finding graduates. The bulk of us, I think maybe 50 to 80% of this company actually comes from Nanyang Poly at some point in their lives. So it's always been the place that we go to. And I think our experience with them is that they are the most geared up and ready for production for us. My feelings towards Fusion going online, I guess nothing will ever beat the real thing, but it is just as good because in today's day and age, I mean, we use a lot of freelancers online as well. And I think that it might be actually positive in the sense that we get to spend a lot more time with each person intimately and actually get to spend more time looking at the work. Because sometimes when you're at Fusion, it's also a lot of noise and a lot of things going on and it's a party, which is great. But also maybe this time we get to really look at each student and mull over the work quality and really get to know them one by one because we'll be taking our time. See you at Fusion, guys.